Hi everybody and welcome to Oscar Outdoors. Joining us in this one was surprised the winner of the 5k giveaway.
Yay! Yay!
Right, so welcome back everyone. As in a little intro, I'm going to be heading out to surprise the winner of the 5k giveaway. Those of you that know us know that we live in Yorkshire. I know, mate. So yeah, I live in Yorkshire and so does the winner, thankfully. So I thought rather than post it and whatnot, I figured I'd go down and personally thank her for joining and sort of donate it to Martin House in memory of Oscar. So yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. We jumped in the car, we're on his way, so I'll bring you back when we're a little bit nearer. Right, so we've just driven the sort of excess 50 miles or so from home to the house. She's got no idea that we're turning up to do it. I just thought this a bit more of a personal touch, and being a tight Yorkshireman as well, saved me on postage. She might like kick me off her doorstep. I don't know how she's going to react. So I'll get around the corner, knock on the door and see what happens. Okay, so we've made it to the house. We're just going to go and knock on the door now and hopefully she's in. Right, we'll see you in a minute. God. Okay. So we just answered the door, but I've not got her on camera at the minute, so I'm just going to say hello, introduce myself obviously, so you know who I am.
I do, yeah, I watch you.
You watch me all the time.
Well, excited now.
So yeah, I've just come down to drop the prizes off in person to save me a little bit of money because I'm a tight Yorkshireman, and obviously just say thank you in person for a lovely donation. So I'm just going to get the prizes out of the back. Okay, welcome back everyone. As you can see, this is Michelle, the winner of the giveaway that we did. Just handed over all the prizes. Obviously not going in the house, I've stayed outside. So yeah, congratulations Michelle, and I'll bring you back in a second.
Thank you.
Right, so welcome back everyone. As you've just seen, we've just been on Michelle's doorstep handing over all the prizes from the 5k giveaway. So it's been quite overwhelming coming down and actually seeing somebody and handing over the prizes. I felt like someone from that postcode lottery. Obviously I didn't have a big check to give her, but I think she was still pleased all the same. So again, thank you Michelle for entering and donating in memory of Oscar. It's been phenomenal, and everybody else who did obviously donate, thank you so much. Over 1,500 quid is absolutely phenomenal, and you've seen the video of what it's going to go for. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you thought about me surprising Michelle in this way, and if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel by pressing this, and there'll be more videos here and here. See you in a bit.